In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of converting seconds into hours, minutes, and seconds. Many people struggle with this conversion and are often confused about the correct formula to use. So let's begin without further delay. To provide an example, we will use two modules. In the first module, we will set a variable name. Here, I am setting it in seconds. Then here in variable value, you can put any number you want to convert in. You can put any number you want to convert in hours, minutes, and seconds. I am using 4800 seconds. Here, 4800 defined as seconds. Then after moving to the second module, here we will set variable name hours, minutes, and hours, minutes, and second. Then here in variable value, we'll put correct formula to change seconds into hours, minutes, and seconds formatting. Here first I will use floor function. Floor function is used to ensure the result is an integer value, even the input is in decimal form. Here I am using floor function. Then after we will give the number which we have to change it in hours, minutes, and seconds. Then we will divide this number from 3600 because there are 3600 seconds in an hour. Then we will divide it with 3600. Then this is an hour part. Then moving to minute part, we will use a semicolon in between because we have to format it in a correct form. Here then again we will use a floor function. Then after we will give the number which we have to convert in minute. Then first we will use mod 3600 because we have to take out the remainder and convert that remainder into minutes. Here I will use mod 3600. Then after I will divide it with second with 60. Then after we'll move to the seconds part to find out that remaining seconds. Here again we will use floor function. In floor function we will give the number which we have to convert it in seconds. Then after we'll use mod 3600 to find out the remaining minutes. Then after again we will use mod 60. Then we will use mod 60 to find out that remaining seconds. Then after we have to close this function. Then let's see, our formula has been completed. Let's run this scenario. You can see two outputs from that source module to the target module. Let's see the here you can see we have got the answer 1 hour 20 minutes 0 seconds. You can change that value, it is up to you. Now our scenario has been successfully run and I have given you the desired formula. You can use this formula for your future reference. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this and keep automating your task.